One aspect of the elementary Montessori classroom is structure with choice, creating an environment where every child can work at their own pace. Rosemary Quaranta of the Seton Montessori Institute explains how this atmosphere of structure with choice works.
Our classroom, there's a lot of activity. There's a lot of movement going on. You'll see children working independently. You'll see children in small group lessons.
Steeper ground. These are the parts of the river.
Sometimes you'll see large whole class lessons.
Timeline, did all of these things really live?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you'll see teachers working one-on-one with children.
Why don't you start counting from here? 1.
Wait. Okay, that's it. I'm deciding this one is this.
And you'll see children working with children. So there's this whole level of working going on in the classroom. Our classroom is very, very structured, but it's in a different way than you might not see at first when you come in. And if you sit for a few minutes and watch the children and watch that cycle of learning, where they begin a work, they do the work, they put it away. But then, how do they go on to the next work? Because the difference, one of the big differences between us and traditional schools is our structure has choice. So our children who are wanting to put a work away, they're finished with it, have a method that they go and they look at the chart, what is next, they look at it, they go get their notebook out, they get out the material, they lay it out, they do their work, they record it, whatever the assignment was, and then they check it off the work chart. That structure is one of the gifts of being in a Montessori classroom. That gift of choice, learning to make good choices, learning to manage your time, manage your work, organize your work, have a sense of how to prioritize, what's most important, what's due today, what's due tomorrow, do I have that done? Those skills are skills we want for all our children when they leave us in elementary, to go on and to kind of lay that foundation of an excellent worker and a leader in the workforce out there. People who can organize, who can structure, who can prioritize what needs to be done and know how to get it done and do that. So that gift of choice is something we take almost for granted in our Montessori world, but it is such a special strain that enables our children to see the world differently, make decisions differently, and learn differently because of choice.
In our next episode, we will look at the benefits of multi-age communities in the Montessori elementary classroom. The Montessori for Parents podcast is brought to you by Educational Video Publishing. We offer a 10% discount to viewers of this podcast when you order DVDs by phone. We welcome your feedback and suggestions for future podcasts.